Hi, welcome back to Deeply Southern Home. Today we are making a woodland inspired dogwood and fern wreath. What I love about this is it feels like what I'd see in a walk in the woods in spring. I have ferns and just little blossoming flowers, some more greenery, and of course dogwoods are the star of the show because nothing says spring to me like dogwoods. So here I am going to go ahead and cut all the little pieces up so that I'm ready to assemble them and don't have to stop, and it really helps you work faster. So I've just started to kind of lay things out and just get a feel for how it's all going to come together. Snip, 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 and here we go, get it together. Okay, so I'm going to be totally honest with you and tell you that I did the wreath and decided I didn't like it and started over. So here's the second go around, and what I decided to do was kind of put a little bit of the ferns in the background, and I did that previously. Here's the part that I wasn't happy with. As you see that I've started to snip up the dogwood branches a little bit more. The branches had small blossoms and large blossoms kind of mixed together. And what I felt like I really wanted was the smaller blossoms you see at the edges and the larger blossoms kind of clumped more in the middle, so that as you worked out around the wreath, the flowers got smaller. And I just liked the dynamics of that better. And you can see I'm just kind of putting everything together. Really the best way to put a wreath together is to stand it up, but the easiest way to film it for you is to have it laying down. So that's why I keep picking it up. Because a grapevine wreath really can kind of hold a lot of the elements together, I tend to put a wreath completely together without hot glue and only hot glue the items I need to really stay in place there at the end. So that's why you don't see me gluing anything. I tend to actually hang it up, see what happens, what falls off, kind of give it a shake or two, and then glue those elements back on. That's just what I do. I hope you have a beautiful spring, and I hope it starts with a wreath like this. I have another woodland-inspired wreath on my blog. I'll link that below. And of course, thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel.